Hey guys, I am back with another video. I have a April favorites. I think that was my last video I put up, and oh my god, it's already like the 5th of June, so the year is going by fast. This is going to be, of course, another handbag reveal. On a side note, and trust me, I will get to this, don't worry. But there's a lot of things going on. Like, we're coming towards the end of our duty here in Texas, so there is a possibility that we could be moving where we don't know yet. If anybody on here is familiar with how the military works, based on my husband's job, we could possibly get a choice of like 3 to 2 places that we maybe want to relocate, you know, for our next duty station. So we'll see. I'm hoping that we're at least here another year, but we don't know yet. So I'm really wondering if I kind of want to go a different direction with my channel. So you guys let me know what you think. I mean, if you feel like maybe we don't really want to see that side of your life, or just kind of keep it like beauty related, handbags, that kind of stuff. So anyway, back to the bag. So this is a bag that came out last year, and it really wasn't on my radar like that. And if you guys hear my daughter's smoke detector, it just started doing that like a couple days ago. Took the battery out, and yeah, we have to put a new battery in it. I know that's like real ghetto, but yeah. And plus, I like the lighting in her room, so that's why I'm in here. Anyway, so yeah, this bag, it came out last year, and I was like, oh, it's cute, but it just really wasn't on my radar like that. You know, I had recently, like the later part of the summer, got the Louis Vuitton Artsy, which I love. So when I started like seeing reviews and doing research on the bag, I was like, okay, it's kind of versatile. Because this particular bag, I was like, okay, if this bag is not big enough, I'm gonna be like pissed, and then I'm just like, I'll have to like resell it or take it back to the store. But anyway, I got the bag and I'm in love with it. I already unboxed it and did all that. I didn't want to do an unboxing, but I did leave it in the dust bag, so it'll be somewhat of a reveal. So without further ado, the bag came today while I was at work, and my daughter, she signed for the bag when they brought it. So here is the dust bag here, and what do you guys think I got? Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and show you. I got the Neo No Way with the black strap. She is like so gorgeous, and of course it has the black lining in there with the zipper compartment, and I have like in here like the care cards and all that type of stuff. Yeah, Louis Vuitton, you know, the cowhide leather thing it says and all that stuff. But I am in love with this bag. Like, I haven't changed over anything into it yet, obviously, but it is absolutely gorgeous. Like, I love it. Like, it has the, I think they call these grommets. It has like the Louis Vuitton on the grommets there, the buttons for the strap, and then it's also here on the D-ring clasp, and then it says the Louis Vuitton Paris right there, and then on this side it says made in France, which I absolutely am excited about. So yes, this bag is quite versatile. I know you can change the straps out and make it longer, but I am 5'1" and I'm short, so I don't think I'll be carrying it crossbody because that's just not me. I mean, I have little crossbody bags, but see, I made it longer. But I'll be carrying it just kind of back to the other size where it's just like it'll fall right on my hip. Maybe I could do a mod shot for you guys really quick just to show you how it'll fall on me. But yes, this bag is so pretty. I'm not gonna switch back to my Adele wallet yet because I'm still loving my little Gucci my Gucci Blooms wallet, like the little compact zippy wallet, which I'm loving. I may still do a review on that, so I'm just gonna use that for the summer. But yeah, let me go ahead and try the bag on. So this is where, yeah, see, this is where it falls on me right here. I know this is like not the best, but yeah. So yep, it falls just right at, kind of right here, just right at my hip right here. So yeah, I'm excited about my new Neo Noe. I'm still debating, like, if I want to get, like, I want to find like a cute little bag charm or something. I've been looking, if you guys follow Alex here on YouTube, I know her Instagram is like Her Royal Highness collection, but it's like HRH collection, and she has like her own little store in there with all kind of little like jewelry pieces and all that. And I saw something on there that would go so cute with this. I even asked another fellow YouTuber, Happy Stylish Mommy, if she liked hers and, you know, if it worked out on her bag, and she says yes, it was perfect. And oh, another thing too, the straps here that are hooked to the D-rings, these actually come off. So if I wanted to use something different and just have it be a handheld bag or carry it in the crook of my arm, I could do that. But me being like footloose and fancy free a lot of times and going to work and all that, I don't, especially like if I'm going somewhere and I need to be hands free and I have daughters, like, I'll say that for when I carry my Speedy. So so yeah, that's pretty much it for this video. If you guys have any questions or comments, please leave them down below, and I would love to hear from you guys. And as always, see you in my next video. Bye.